Yeah, it's Bashevis opened up this culture that I didn't really know anything about, because it's basically invisible. I mean, and I grew up in Copenhagen and in Northern Europe, and I didn't know anything about Eastern European Jews. I had family members that spoke this and came from there, but I didn't really know anything about it, and it was not. It's not. I mean, it was just not something I was that interested in. It was like, why? What's the relevance of this, right? I was oriented towards living in Denmark and Europe and, doing what I did as a young person. And then I suddenly picked up this novel by saying I was the family Muscat. And I realized that this is a vibrant society, and a lot of these people, they think like me. I mean, it's not like it's exotic or it's primitive or it's strange or anything. It's like I could identify with a lot of these characters, and it was a full society. I mean, you had a whole range of all kinds of characters, and then that's why I say he opened up this world, and I realized that he was just one of many, many other great writers and cultural figures, and that kind of started the whole thing.